Good day, my name is Adam Allure and I'm the founder and CEO of Wavve Boating, and today I'm going to show you how to check the weather and wave forecast in Wavve Boating. So pretty simple action here. All you need to do is tap the little button that's right next to the compass in the upper right hand side of the screen. And the forecast for this area will show. So you'll have wind speed, direction, sunset or sunrise times, current wave height and wave period all shown in the top bar, and then forecasted weather conditions on an hourly basis below that. So, I can see how things are looking later today. I can check out tomorrow. Still a little overcast, getting some higher winds. Key thing to note here is you will see the wind speed and the wave heights will color code. So they'll go from kind of a bluer shade to an orange and ultimately to a red based on small vessel craft warnings. So if it's particularly windy, we're getting into the 20 miles per hour, you'll see that wind speed in red. And that should give you cause to think about going out. Same sort of thing with wave height. So if Wavve Boating is seeing the forecasted wave height is 6-7 feet, that's concerning. That's not something you want to be going out on the water in your 20-foot vessel. You'll see that color coded in red accordingly. So just kind of a quick and easy way to see is the forecast looking a little bit concerning, particularly for small vessels. So there we go, moving forward. All right, Friday's looking a little sunnier, better temperatures, though decent amount of wind. And the neat thing with the weather feature here is it's based on your current map view. So you can pan around the map, and this is where it gets a little bit addicting. You can kind of see, okay, I'm going to head over to New York, just kind of curious. So quickly, you'll see in the top right, there's a quick weather where it'll just give you the current conditions, wind speed and direction. So 74 degrees Fahrenheit, 6 miles per hour from the southeast. And then I can tap that to get the forecast, learn a little bit more. See if I can find somewhere that's got some better conditions here. We'll head down a little more south, down the eastern seaboard. Let's see how Myrtle Beach is doing. Okay, this is looking a little bit better here. So again, tap that same icon. All right, we see some sun here, some higher wind speeds, some higher wave heights. So certainly something to take some level of caution on if you're heading out boating in this particular area. But that's how the weather feature works. It's all based on your map view, so you can just kind of pan around and explore and see what the conditions are. If you have any questions, please reach out to our team at community@wavveboating.com and we'll be happy to help you out. Thank you.